Functional art is art that quite literally has a function and serves a purpose in everyday life, whether you actually use it or not. Furniture is a great example, ceramics and pottery, leather saddles and boots and silver for spurs and jewelry.
Functional art to me means pieces that are useful, that you can, furniture, kitchenware even is functional art, serving dishes, yes, anything you use.
I describe myself basically as a maker of things. I've been making things all my life, and some of that is sewing. I started sewing when my Scottish grandpa gave me my first sewing machine at 5, and then it's evolved over almost 50 years now, doing this leather work. And then just start this up higher. It's really very labor intensive. People don't understand how much it takes, how much time. Like that Scottish trunk, I've probably got at least 200 hours of my time, and then the blacksmith that made those beautiful hand-forged hinges and the handles, and the woodworkers, they've got another 40 hours in it, and so that particular piece has probably got 400 to 500 hours total in it.
Nowadays, they want instant gratification, and it just doesn't happen. You have to put in your time to make sure everything is correct. The sanding, the joinery, the carvings, everything has to go together before you reach that level of becoming a master craftsman. It takes time. It probably takes 30 hours to build a chair, or more, just to do the basic construction, the carving, the staining, the spraying, that whole gamut, not including the upholstery and all that other stuff.
Good.
So we probably have 30 hours into a dining room chair. They see what we're selling that piece for now, but you got to remember, we have 30 years or 20 years of experience in this.
Anything handmade takes time. If I'm building a piece of furniture by hand, it's going to take a lot longer than what you would compare it to. IKEA is all machine made. It just gets kicked out. There's a lot of design time, a lot of sitting and noodling and thinking time, most of which I can't charge for. You can ask me how long it took to build that particular piece, and I can give you numbers of actual build time, but I can't give you the numbers for how long I sat in classes and how long I've been thinking about this and how much time I've spent throughout my life developing the skills and the aesthetic that went into it.
With our furniture, yes, you're paying a lot for it, but you're never gonna have to get anything ever again. Our stuff is a lifetime piece. You're gonna hand that down to your grandkids and stuff. You're not handing something down from Wayfair or something like that. That's going in the dumpster in a year or so.
So then we got that, the same wood. And the tolerance is so tight, you can't slam it. I think owning something that is well built makes you feel good. It's like a nice painting, you look at it and like, that puts a smile on my face. People just stop and look at what it takes to build art. The years of experimentation, trial and error, mistakes, till they got it just right. The fit and the finish, attention to detail, texture, until it's good enough for us, it's not good enough for the client. Mm-hmm. It's a complete piece of furniture that should put a smile on your face.
Beauty is the heart and the soul of America, and it shuts down the disparity between people. Creating beauty is vital to our soul as human beings.